Hello everybody, just doing a walk to see my son Sam. Walking down Winnick Road, the A49. It's about 4 miles. I've done half a mile up to now, so I'm going to film as much of it as I can. Lost 2 stone nearly since I started walking again, so hopefully this will carry on. Speak to you in a bit everybody. Bye now. Up to the top of Winnick Road now. Skoda garage. This is a Toby Carvery near where I live, and this is the new complex they built last year, Decathlon. Got some boots from there, and this is the Premier Inn. This was all school fields a while back. There's the new college over there. Light's fading now, so might be a bit dull. And then we're going on to the new Jubilee Centre, which is brilliant. It's where they have all these, there's a swimming pool in there, shops, prescription place, doctors in there. It's where I go for my blood tests, to check for me, where is it, angina and God knows what crap I've got. Yeah, I'll show you that more in a bit. Batteries are draining because it's bloody cold. That's my old school over there. Can't really see much of it. There's the Jubilee Orford Park, Jubilee Park. That's where I used to play football on the school team. I can't film in a bit because it's the swimming baths at the back, and you're not allowed to film because there might be kids or whatever, so I'll switch it off. Not much to see anyhow, it's just the new Jubilee Centre. This is Orford Park. The big part of Orford Park is massive. Unfortunately, you get some idiots hanging around here. This is where I ride my bike through every day to see my lad. Don't use car much anymore now, or the van. Anyway, onwards. Won't switch off. Walking down the backs now, a bit quieter. Looks like they're gritting the road at the top. Always reminds me of walking in Coronation Street land and stuff. And all the back-to-back houses. Nearly there now. That face rings a bell. That looks like Kathy Warburton. With Summer, the Staffordshire Blue. Summer! Hello! Hello! Are you alright?
Not got very far.
Go on then. That's Kathy Warburton. Say hello, Kathy. There's Summer. Hello, Summer. Puppy staff. Go on then. The only problem with it, she very boisterous. She jumps up you. Go on then, Summer. Get out of it. Sorry about the shaky video. Being attacked by a Staffordshire bull. It's Coronation Street now. All these houses. Bothered. Considering I have walked 4 miles and you've not. So there you go everyone, my walk is nearly complete. It took me about half an hour and I'm hopefully going to do more of it. Not the slightest bit knackered. So we shall, well, I'll do some videoing when I get to the house just so it's a full journey then what I've done. Okay. It's getting dark. So anyhow, I'm here. I've arrived at Kathy's house. And this is like Coronation Street round here. Back to back houses. No land or anything. Some of the camping stuff we've got from the caravan. Still got loads of stuff to get from the caravan yet. So I've done worked out about 4¼ miles in, I think it's about, I don't know, 3/4 of an hour or something. So not too bad, and I feel as fit as a fiddle. So I might even walk back afterwards. A bit dodgy through the park though when it's dark. And there's Summer there watching. Oh, Summer. Anyhow, thanks for watching people. I'm going to have a drink now and get something to eat. Kathy had her hair done yesterday. Wouldn't think so, would you? Summer! Hello! Say hello to everyone, Kathy.
Hello! You know the layers up now.
Right, anyhow, thanks very much for watching people of my walk. I'll do another one going somewhere more exciting next time. Say ta-ra, Summer. Say ta-ra to the people. Say ta-ra to the people. Say ta-ra. Bye everyone. This is my lad's cupboard. This is what he thinks when the World War III sets off. It's a bit of a mess at the moment. He's just spent over 100 quid of his own money on getting supplies in. Now this is usually spotlessly clean in here. I've got put some more shelves up there, but he spent all this money on stuff to in case there's a war. There's a gun there, another rifle there. There's all his sponges and food. I'll take more video of it once it's all cleared up. This is his compass, and here's one of his other rifles. is hang on, I'll switch off and unwrap it so you can see it.